Check it out, check it out. So tonight we got bored and we ripped open this Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragon. If you guys don't remember this, 1996 or 1997 or so on, whatever. Ripping these open, trying to find that Blue Eyes, baby. Let's get it. I think this one is a reprint. It's actually pretty cheap. It's a Japanese booster box. Let me show you some of the hits we got. It's actually pretty fun. Bring it right back to ripping them open. What is that? Celtic Guardian or Guy? I don't remember some of these now. I wish I could read it. This is like what, the right armor of the Forbidden One. And like Dark Hole, Trihorn. I don't remember. Yeah, it was dope. Raga, Kai. I don't know. Yeah, I think that one's Gaia. But yeah. So yeah, then here's some like commons. It was still dope. Bring it right back. You get a chance to open one up, do it. Probably gonna buy a couple more of these. Pot of greed. All right, y'all.